I am in the Eagle Creek subdivision in beautiful Avon, Ohio. I can't wait to show you this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath house, but first let me tell you a little bit about the area. We are conveniently located just minutes to Avon Commons, downtown Avon with the great restaurants and bars, close to the hospitals, and a short drive to I-90. Let's go check it out. I love that this home features a first floor office, which is perfect for anyone working from home, and then also a first floor laundry room, which is really good for a busy family. You have to check out this beautifully updated kitchen with granite counters, the white shaker cabinets, and my favorite part is that there's an eat-in area where you can overlook the deck and fully fenced-in yard. This is perfect for entertaining. Let me show you the master suite. I love the vaulted ceilings, and the ensuite has just been updated. It's gorgeous, you have to check it out.